Well, it's time for some haircut. We've been going out riding and hiking and all that, but no haircut. So let's visit my favorite barber shop. Okay, we have a branch in Iriga, Bao, and Nagasaki. Join us. So yeah, there. Just a run. It's been raining, so there's lots of people here. This is how their shop here actually looks like. Alright. Hi there. The usual cut, barber's cut, and of course, I don't want to be the man from Sparta, so I better have this trimmed. Alright. You see? So, the transformation. I used to have different types of hairstyles, especially when I was younger. I would wait for it to grow really long because I used to play in a rock band, as you know. So, and then after around 2 to 3 years, I cut it short, semi-calvo. That was my cycle of hairstyle long time ago. But now it's just barber's cut, very simple and your usual haircut or hairstyle. But you know what? My favorite MMA fighter, Lyoto Machida, actually sports barber's cut. So that's one consolation. Alright. You see? My face is clean.
Max, this is a man who has failed to make totals a fair few times in his career, but he's also put up some enormous lifts when it counts. I'm sorry.
Right, we just gonna have some shampoo so that my head won't be itchy. I've been riding, so I can take a bath just yet because my body is tired. I don't want to wait until morning. Alright. So my shampoo is done and gonna have pomade. Visit also their shop at Nagasaki in front of the Orange Dormitory. Also at Bao.